Hey guys, today, let's learn how to download all Facebook information in the most easiest way. So if you guys want to go ahead and download all of your Facebook information in the most easiest way, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application. Then I want you to go ahead and tap on your menus right here. Next, let's go on over to our settings and privacy. I want you to tap on settings once more and let's access our account center. So tap on see more and account center and I want you to scroll down until you see your, let's actually try personal details. Okay. So let's tap on account ownership and control. This actually shows us the option to memorialization and the deactivation option. So what we actually want to look for is the option to access our information. Let's go and tap on your information and permissions. And let's tap on download your information. Now from here, you can actually go and tap on request a download of your information on your Facebook application and basically tap on all of your profile so that you could get information of all of these as well. So just tap on next and just tap on complete copy so that you can basically have a complete copy of all of your information on Facebook. And it's actually that easy. Just tap on submit request and you will be notified when your download is ready, just in a few business days. So that is all for this video. That is, you guys could actually download all of your information on Facebook easily. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.